barbecue bacon burger. Hey, Jimmy.
He's living like this as a getcha like that. Boys! As usual, what's going on with all those sussy merch?
I don't want to alarm you, but they're back! We have to destroy Bunny's bakery in time.
This could work effectively.
Just throw pac-bird through the same time machine where Professor Pac-Man tested him.
Let's go.
Punch my mama in the throat.
Huh?
Hey you little red bird, I don't know who you are but you're not entering my bakery like an useless idiotic goober like that Kakavi 420.
Fart in peace, Bunny's bakery.